How many portion of land do you think is left for you and Ejike, your brother, to share?
Yeah, good question. Now you know. We'll be left to share just one portion.
One portion. In that case, that land belongs to you and your younger brother Ejike.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Tocho! Oh no! Tocho! Oh no! Love for easy.
It's okay.
Power. Ezokubundo. Ezokubundo no.
Oh no, one more thing. Good. When I got back from abroad, my kid bro here, Ejike, told me he sold his only land for 1.5 million naira for our father's funeral rites. And guess what? I gave this fool here in return 3 million naira.
I got you one fool again.
Ejike, will you go back to your seat?
Ejike,
will you go back to your seat?
what can you do?
Bayawa.
All the time you think it's about this and jaggy and shit. You jar everybody. Look at the elders. You keep jarring everybody.
Bayawa.
Nigga, you can't jar me. If you jar them, you can jar me. That's the real deal, yo. If you jar them, you can jar me, my nigga.
It's okay.
If you jar them, you can jar me.
Kajiako.